Refined Simplicity. The Cutler Briefcase Part 1 is a new course that's going to show you how to build a modern version of a traditional case that's been designed and crafted for the modern world. The goal of this course is to create a lightweight, luxury laptop case that will show off your craftsmanship skills whilst eliminating difficult to find hardware, handle jigs, or any specialist equipment. So join me in the workshop with no more than your basic hand tools and craft your very own briefcase. You'll discover how to make a simple rolled handle that's distinguished yet easy to make, how to select the correct leathers and reinforcements for this style of case, and how to make your own pattern using nothing more than card, a knife and a ruler. Get started today. Head to leathercraftmasterclass.com or hit the link in bio. Hi, my name is Philip and this is the Leathercraft Masterclass.